This is a test to see how arthritic hands can manipulate the multi-touch screen. I'm holding two blocks of ice and Coca-Colas for 3 minutes. It's rather painful. 2 minutter tilbage. Kan du få? Et minut tilbage. Simulated arthritis fingers. First thing I notice is slightly moist hands. It's difficult and quite painful to touch the screen. It's just more cumbersome, actually. That's of course to be expected. It's also as if there's less. I'm only using my thumb and fingers because moving the other fingers is a bit painful. And do short jabs. Two hands is more comfortable now than using one hand.
Mm-hmm.
Again, it's nicer to use your fingers like this. Yeah, two fingers is much more comfortable
Then one
than
hand.
one hand.
Oh yeah.
Because the only ones I really want to move, these ones are just painful. I'm actually recovering quite quickly, I think. It doesn't seem too painful anymore. It's quite red though.
It is.
Jeg prøver at sætte dem sammen, så de er rigtige.
Ja.
Sådan relaterer. Sådan her. Igen, det er nemmere at bruge to pegefingre. Tommeltotten bruger jeg faktisk ikke særlig meget. Kun når jeg skal lave pinching.
Mm.
Det er
Men det ser ikke ud som om det er sværere.
Jeg synes faktisk det er sværere, og jeg bruger den anderledes. Jeg bruger de her to fingre mere, end jeg bruger de her to.
Ja.
Jeg bruger de her to til at rotere dem.
Companies assign graphics and storage in the highest priority.
Så udover at den er mere endnu bedre indstillet, så den her inspirerer mig ikke til, fordi mine fingre er stive, men det her håndled er ikke stive, som isen.
Ja.
Så jeg bliver ikke inspireret til at bruge det her igen. Eller jeg bliver i hvert fald ikke...
Det er mere fingerspidserne, du har.
Ja, det er meget mere fingerspidser nu. Jeg kan stadig kontrollere fingerspidser. Måske skulle jeg have tapet mere. Low vision test, taking on glasses that do not fit him. These are not his glasses. Your task is to find 3 pictures with text.
Okay.
And line them up.
Okay. Can't see. Is this text? No, it isn't.
Any text. It can be a sign. It can be a T-shirt.
Oh, god damn it.
I remind the viewer that these are not the subject's glasses. These are another person's glasses. So the
That's text.
corrective lenses
I can see the text now.
are not his at all. So his vision is very much impaired.
I have to zoom like this. Is that an X?
I don't know. You're using my glasses. I have no idea.
Det var der ikke mere fra lige her.
Let's taste. Alright. Well done.